How to know the best time to sell your home to make money and get rich. This is the Pablo Henrique channel. Like and subscription is not requested, it is conquered. Today we're gonna talk about the absolute best time to sell a house. So when is the best time to sell a property? Well, the truth is it depends. If you bought it the right way, then any time should be the right time. However, will there be times in the market that are more advantageous than others? Try this one for a minute. Consumers and investors usually follow separate and opposite tracks. So when all the consumers are buying up real estate, do you know what investors are typically doing? That's when they're selling. When everyone is in this buyer's market, that's when you can usually sell for the highest price, and that's when investors want to trade into different properties. But the opposite is also true. When all of the consumers are dumping and saying the sky is falling and it's the worst investment that we saw in 07 and 2008 and 9 and 10. What were investors like me doing? We're buying up everything like crazy. Warren Buffett, he had his own hedge fund at the time. He was buying 40,000 homes per year into the markets that actually were totally decimated. So, best time to sell a home is really at market high before it falls out, is when you're going to really cash in on top dollar. But if your strategy requires that, then you may have in fact, the wrong strategy. Because if the market is ever turning and moving it a way that it's not advantageous for you, you shall be able to continue holding that home, cash flowing it, and continuing to make money in it. This is one of the reasons why one of my many rules in real estate is that I buy below the median. Why do I do that on my short-term buy and holds? Because if the market ever turns against me, I'm gonna keep on cash flowing that property, and those lower priced homes, they don't lose value like $1 million or a $500,000 home does. So Warren Buffett has this principle, right? He calls it the margin of risk. And really, when you talk about the best time to sell a house, I want to draw attention to how Warren Buffett has become a multi-billionaire and one of the greatest philanthropists of our day and age, all based on a very simple principle you may have heard called buy low, sell high, okay? Warren is a really great example, if you read his book Snowball, of an individual that really lived his principles. He says if you want to reduce your risk, you got to increase your margin of profitability. So it's real simple. If you buy a house as an investor, you buy it with a lot of equity, cause if you do, whether it's the wrong or right time to sell, you can sell profitably. Understanding this principle is key for this next part. If you buy the right house, you can sell it any time for great profit. Now watch this video right here for you to learn how to make big money. Videos every day at 8 p.m. Watch this video right here. Thank you so much everyone for watching. My name is Pablo Henrique and I'll see you in the next video.